Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Toyota Prius wiper blades. This simple task can greatly improve your visibility and driving safety. First, gather your new wiper blades. Typically, you'll need a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and an 18-inch blade for the passenger's side. Make sure your Prius is parked safely with the engine off, and place a soft towel on the windshield under each wiper arm to protect the glass. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be mindful of the spring tension. Next, find the small retaining clip or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this clip firmly, then slide the old wiper blade downwards, away from the arm, until it detaches completely. Repeat this process for the other front wiper blade. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and orient it so the connector aligns with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it upwards until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check its attachment before proceeding. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Avoid letting them snap down, which could damage the glass. Now, turn on your Prius and spray some water onto the windshield using your washer fluid. Activate your wipers to test their performance. They should move smoothly across the glass, providing clear, streak-free visibility. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Toyota Prius wiper blades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.